Alright guys, I'm filming this in the middle of tearing the car apart for the SI rear suspension swap, but I wanted to share this information with all you hatchback owners, you 2022 to 2024 11th gen Honda Civic hatchback owners. I think there's a video online that exists about this for the sedan, but I just found out where it is for the hatchback. So if your actuator ever fails and you can't open your fuel door, this is what you do. Come underneath this left side of the car, you pull this grate out. Once you pull this out, you look up inside there, and there's this little wire with a loop, and you can pull that, and that is a release for the gas cap. So if I pull that lever, you can flip that out when the car is locked or if your actuator fails. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below if you had no idea about this little Easter egg in this Honda Civic. I did know about it on the sedan and just happened to stumble upon it on the hatchback. So thank you guys for watching. Give the video a like. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.